Welcome to Naturo channel. Everybody is looking for the secret to a healthy diet. Early humans were hunter-gatherers. They ate what they could find in nature. Their diets were diverse and depended on their location. Early humans ate plants, seeds, nuts, fruits, and roots. Hunting provided important protein and fat. Early humans hunted animals for meat. Food was often cooked over an open fire. Hunter-gatherers lived in small groups. They moved around to find food. This lifestyle lasted for thousands of years. Around 10,000 years ago, agriculture began. Humans learned to cultivate crops and domesticate animals. This changed the history of food and human civilization. People could stay in one place and grow their own food. Farming led to a more stable food supply. It also led to larger settlements and the development of villages. Diets became more grain-based. Common crops included wheat, rice, and corn. Domestication of animals provided meat, milk, and eggs. It also provided labor for farming. This led to new dishes and ways of cooking. The agricultural revolution was a major turning point in human history. As civilizations developed, so did their cuisines. In ancient Mesopotamia, people grew barley, wheat, and lentils. They used irrigation to water their crops. The Egyptians relied on the Nile River for farming. They grew crops like wheat, barley, and flax. They also raised livestock and were known for their bread and beer making. Ancient Romans enjoyed a diverse diet. They consumed olive oil, bread, fruits, vegetables, and seafood. Roman feasts were elaborate affairs with multiple courses. They traded for spices and exotic ingredients. Ancient Greeks also had a rich culinary tradition. They enjoyed olive oil, bread, fruits, vegetables, and seafood. In Europe, the Middle Ages saw a continuation of agriculture-based diets. Bread was a staple food, often made from rye or barley. Meat was a luxury for the wealthy. Poorer people relied on vegetables, legumes, and dairy products. Food preservation techniques, such as salting and smoking, were crucial. Spices from the East, like pepper and cloves, were highly prized. The Catholic Church had a strong influence on food practices. Fasting and feasting were important aspects of religious life. Monasteries played a role in developing agriculture and food production. Renaissance flavors, exploring new worlds of taste. The Renaissance brought a renewed interest in classical culture and learning. It also led to significant changes in food and cuisine. The discovery of the New World introduced new ingredients to Europe. Tomatoes, potatoes, maize, and beans traveled from the Americas. These new foods enriched European diets and changed culinary habits. Sugar, coffee, and tea also became popular. The Renaissance saw a rise in cookbooks and elaborate recipes. New cooking techniques and styles emerged. Food became a symbol of status and wealth among the upper classes. Exotic spices from the East also made their way into European kitchens. These spices added new flavors and complexity to dishes. The Industrial Age transforming food production. The Industrial Revolution brought about dramatic changes in food production and consumption. New machines and technologies made farming more efficient. Mass production of food became possible. The invention of canning and refrigeration revolutionized food preservation. This allowed for the transportation of food over long distances. It also led to the development of supermarkets and the availability of a wider variety of foods. However, the industrialization of food production also had its downsides. It led to the rise of processed foods and unhealthy eating habits. Concerns about food safety and quality emerged. The global table, modern diets and cultural exchange. The 20th and 21st centuries have witnessed an unprecedented exchange of culinary ideas and ingredients. Global trade has made it possible to enjoy foods from all over the world. Immigration patterns have also influenced food trends. Cities have become melting pots of cuisines. Fusion dishes, combining elements from different cultures, have become increasingly popular. This global exchange has enriched culinary experiences and broadened palates. However, it has also raised concerns about the homogenization of food cultures. As we continue to explore and share, the balance between innovation and tradition remains crucial. Food trends today, a fusion of flavors and values. Contemporary food trends reflect a growing awareness of health, sustainability, and ethical consumption. There's a demand for fresh, local, and organic produce. Vegetarianism and veganism are on the rise. People are more conscious of the environmental impact of their food choices. Food allergies and intolerances are also driving dietary changes. Technology continues to shape how we eat. Online food delivery services, meal kit subscriptions, and cooking apps are changing our relationship with food. The fusion of flavors and values is redefining our culinary landscape. Future food. What's on the horizon? The future of food is likely to be shaped by several factors, including climate change, technological advancements, and evolving dietary needs. Sustainable food production will be crucial. Alternative protein sources, such as insects and lab-grown meat, might become more common. Personalized nutrition, based on individual genetic makeup, could become a reality. As our understanding of food and its impact on our health and the planet evolves, so too will our diets. The future of food is ripe with possibilities and challenges. Embracing these changes will be key to a sustainable and healthy future. Please subscribe, like, drop comments, and share to help us grow and make more videos.